This is a vintage Minolta XG7 35mm camera. It's pretty old. I got it at a yard sale several years ago for $5. I think it was marked down in price wrong, but who cares? I got the best end of the deal. This was probably the top end camera back in its heyday, even though everything is digital now. And I got a bunch of stuff with it. I got this big zoom lens here that's attached to the camera. I got these two flashes. This one's a Sunpack Auto 44. This one's a Vivitar Zoom Thyristor 2500 flash. Here's another zoom lens, JCPenney. Here's a shorter zoom lens. Here's a wide angle lens attachment. Here's an Auto 2X converter. And here's a bunch of odd lenses that you could attach to the zoom lenses, I guess. Here's an amber one. I don't know what this one is for. And here are some more lenses and cases. Hoya. And there's some more lenses too. And I'll give you a close-up of the camera. Here it is. Got that all for $5, including that carrying case. But the carrying case is a piece of junk. There's some sort of like foam lining that is all dry rotted and it's all crumbling. And this is one thing I'm going to sell on eBay soon. I won't make a hell of a lot on it, but everything helps. I read that this camera was produced from 1977 to 1981, I think. I don't know if this camera works, that's the thing. The battery for this thing cost almost $10. It's one of those flat hearing aid batteries. But I don't want to buy the battery and try the camera out without no film. I mean, to buy the film and to get the battery to use the camera regularly would cost a lot. But there's still people into these, even though it's a digital world now. But yeah, $5, I got the great end of the deal. I think it was marked wrong in price. Stupid them. And the camera is attached to a nice shoulder strap. I could picture somebody using a camera like this for a Playboy centerfold shoot. Go. I'll give you a close-up. This camera probably does work. And yes, that's my Minolta XG7 35mm camera. And that concludes this video, and I sure hope you enjoyed it. Bye.